Words to know: many, friend, full, pull, hold, good. Use a blue word to tell about something you did. Many. There are many cars on the street. Friend. She likes to ride the bus with her friend. Full. This train is always full of people. Pull. He can pull his pet in the wagon. Hold. She can hold her phone in her hand. Good. The ferry is a good way to see the city. Read and comprehend. Target skill. Story structure. A story has different parts. The characters are the people and animals in a story. The setting is when and where it takes place. The plot is the story events. It is the problem the characters have and how they solve it. You can use a story map to tell how is in the story, where they are, and what they do. Target strategy. Analyze, evaluate. Tell what you think of the story. Give text evidence to tell why. Preview the topic. At the zoo. What can you see at the zoo? There are many animals, like bears. You can watch the monkeys swing. You can hear the lions roar. Which animal is your favorite? You will read about a trip to the zoo and Gus takes the train. Gus takes the train. Written and illustrated by Russell Benfanti. Essential question: what happens on the train? Gus has to run to get the train. He has a big bag to pull. Run, Gus, run! Gus cannot pull up his bag. The conductor can help him. The train is full. Gus can see many kids. Gus said, his big bag can go up here. Gus met a friend. Peg and Gus sing and play. Peg can hold the cups for Gus. They are too full. Peg and Gus have a sip. It is good. Gus can see a lot. A funny bug is on the window. We are here. Gus had fun on the train. Comprehension. Dig deeper. How to analyze the text. Use these pages to learn more about story structure and fantasy. Then read Gus Takes the Train again. Story structure. Gus Takes the Train has characters, settings, and a plot. All of these work together to tell the story. Who are the characters? Where are they in different parts of the story? Write the text evidence on a story map to tell who is in the story, where they are, and what they do. Genre. Fantasy. This story is a fantasy. That means it is make-believe and could not happen in real life. In the story, Gus thinks, can cats sing a song in real life? Look again at the pictures in the story. Do they look like real life? What text evidence tells you that this story is a fantasy. Your turn. Return to the essential question. Turn and talk. What happens on the train? Tell what Gus does first, next, and last. Then draw a picture of something Gus will see at the zoo. Describe it. Show your picture as you talk to help explain your ideas. Classroom conversation. Talk about these questions with your class. 1. Why does Gus take the train? 2. How does Peg help Gus? 3. Think about the end of the story. What will Gus do next? Write about reading. Response. Write the story the way Peg would tell it. Write sentences to tell what happens at the beginning, middle, and end of the story. Writing tip. Add words like first, next, and last to tell when things happen. Genre. Informational text gives facts about a topic. It can be from a magazine, brochure, or website. What is the topic of this selection? City Zoo. Welcome to the City Zoo. The zoo is full of many interesting animals. See if you can find all the animals on the map. Key: tiger, elephant, polar bear, giraffe. We hope you have a good time at the zoo. Come with your family and a friend. Hold on to your ticket. Have some snacks. Pull a wagon. Take pictures. Compare texts. Text to text. Compare selections. Think about both selections. Tell which is make-believe and which is true. Tell how you know. Text to self. Write a description. Write to tell your classmates about a time you went on a trip. Tell them what you saw and did. Text to world. Connect to social studies. Imagine that you are traveling to study animals. Where would you go? Find that place on a map or globe. Describe your trip. Use details. Grammar. Adjectives. Some adjectives describe people, animals, places, or things by telling their color or how many. Adjectives for color: purple, red, green, blue, orange, black. Adjectives for number: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try this. Write one number adjective and one color adjective to describe each item. Talk with your partner about how adjectives help tell what things are like. Grammar in writing. When you revise your writing, look for places where you can add adjectives to tell what things are like. Narrative writing. Ideas. When you write a class story, use adjectives to describe things clearly. Mr. Tam's class wrote about a bus trip. They used first, next, and last to tell the order of events. Then they added the adjective yellow to tell more about the bus. Revised draft. First, we got on a yellow bus. Revising checklist. Are the story events in the correct order? Did we use words like first, next, and last to show the order? Could we tell more by adding adjectives? Read our class story. Find adjectives. Find words that tell order. Now help you revise your class story. Use the checklist. Final copy. A city bus ride. Our class took a bus trip. First, we got on a yellow bus. Next, we sang 2 songs. Last, we saw tall buildings and long trains. We had fun on our class trip.